This is a demonstration of using the IBM Application Performance Management Live Demo tool. You can find the IBM Application Performance Management Live Demo at the URL shown on the screen.
This demonstration will cover the scenario View Transaction Details. As an app owner, how do I find transactions with slow response time and isolate the problem? Step 1. In the All My Applications dashboard, locate the Portfolio Management application, which has a critical status. Click the Portfolio Management application title bar to display transaction and component details. Step 2. Click on the Request and Response Time chart to display transaction details. In the page that opens, notice in the Request and Response Time chart that the volume of transactions is fluctuating. In the Worst by User and Worst by Device charts, you can see that users Fred and Eve and the iOS devices are experiencing a slowdown. The Transactions Top 10 table shows metrics from the lowest performing transactions. In the Users and Sessions chart, click Analyze Users to display more information about the users. Step 3. This page shows user metrics. Expand the Users by Location entries to see their geographical distribution and to filter the display. Scroll down to the User at Selected Location Top 10 table. Notice that slowdowns are being experienced by users Eve and Fred, that they are both using iOS devices, and they are located in Durham. Click the first Fred entry in the table to see the session details. Step 4. This page shows the session details for the selected user. Scroll down to see the session instances and click on the first session instance to view the transaction topology details for that instance. Step 5. The topology page shows the transaction instance organized into network hops and sub-transaction nodes. Focus on the nodes with the warning status. As you follow the node hops, you can see a 13-second slow response time that originates with the Java BuyStock application. Scroll down to the Gantt chart and expand the entries in the chart to confirm that the Simple Trade BuyStock entry is responsible for the majority of the 13-second response time. The output from the trade out queue, taking 3.006 seconds, is being sent to the application server. The trade application is taking 9 seconds to process. In this scenario, you found the transactions with slow response times and isolated the cause by drilling down to individual transactions, their subtransactions, and component level details. After identifying the transactions, users, and their geography, the app owner hands over the diagnosis to the developer, who finds the exact line of code causing the issue.